In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a presentation to folders in Prezi, step by step. This is a really useful way to keep your presentations organized, especially if you have multiple projects, client decks, or different versions of the same presentation. By putting your presentations into folders, you can find everything faster and keep your Prezi dashboard much cleaner. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Prezi account. Once you sign in, you'll land on your Prezi dashboard. This is the main area where all of your presentations and folders are stored, so take a moment to get familiar with the layout if this is your first time using it. Now, look over to the left panel. On that side menu, you should see the New Folder option. Click on New Folder to create a fresh folder for your presentations. This is where you'll be organizing your content, so choose a folder name that makes sense for the project, topic, client, or category you want to keep together. After you click it, type in the name for your new folder and confirm it. Once the folder is created, it will appear in your folder list, ready for you to start moving presentations into it. Next, stay in the left panel and click on All Presentations. This will show you every presentation saved in your Prezi account. From here, browse through your list and find the presentation you want to add to the folder you just created. When you find the right presentation, look directly below it and click the three dots menu. This opens up more options for that presentation. In the menu that appears, select Add to Folder. Once you click Add to Folder, Prezi will usually let you choose the folder you want to place it in. Select the folder you created earlier, then confirm your choice. After that, your presentation will be added to the folder and organized in the right place. If you want to move more presentations into the same folder, just repeat the same process for each one. Go back to All Presentations, click the three dots under the presentation, choose Add to Folder, and select the folder you want. It only takes a few seconds each time, and it can save you a lot of time later when you need to find your files quickly. This is especially helpful if you use Prezi for school, work, or content creation, because folders make it much easier to manage different topics and keep everything neat. Instead of scrolling through a long list of presentations, you can simply open the folder and find exactly what you need. So to recap, log into Prezi, create a new folder from the left panel, go to All Presentations, click the three dots below the presentation, and select Add to Folder. That's all there is to it. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.